Hello everyone. In this video, you will learn how you can add items in bulk along with the stock on TranZact. For that, let's go to the inventory module. Here, this is the inventory page. Here, there is an option Add Items. Click on it. To add items in bulk, click on Multiple Items Excel. It gives you a template. To download the template, click on Download Excel Template. Now I'm opening the file. This is my file. Add information in the fields. For example, I'm adding item 1. You can mention whether it is product or service you want to buy or sell. For example, I have to do both. You need to mention the unit of measurement. For example, it is in numbers. I'm keeping the HSN code blank. You can mention the default price. You can mention the current stock. Now here you get an option to add the current stock. I'm adding the stock. You can also mention the minimum and maximum stock levels. I'm keeping them blank. You can also add the default tags. You get a drop-down list here. For example, for item 1, it is 0.1. I'm adding another item. Item 2. And I'm setting my current stock as 400. I'm keeping the default tags as blank. Now here, there are certain columns or fields which are mandatory. To check the same, let's go back to TranZact. So here, the star marked or asterisk marked fields are mandatory. Here, you need to mention the data under these fields. Item name, item type, and unit of measurement. You can miss the other information. Now I'm coming back to the file. I've added the information. Now click on Save. Now go back to TranZact. Here you get an option to drag and drop the Excel file or select the file. Click on the same. I'm searching the file. Click on Open. As I have added only 2 rows, it is showing me data validated, total records 2. You can add rows up to 500. That means you can add up to 500 items at a time. You can add more, but at a time you can add only 500 items. Now, to add the items into your inventory, click on Create 2 items. It is uploading the items. Upload successful. Number of items added 2. I'm closing this. Now, if you see on the inventory page, item 1 and 2 are added along with the stock. Now here, if you see, the item IDs are automatically taken. You had not added the item IDs. What if you want to add the item IDs manually? It should give you the option to add item ID, which it was not showing in the previous Excel file. See here. Now, if you want to add manually, just click on Add Items, Single Item, click on Customize beside the item ID, and you can change the setting of document series type to manual. Just from auto, switch it to manual. Then you'll get an option to add the field item ID. Now, what if you have multiple item series? I'm switching it back to auto. I'm adding new series like RM for raw materials. Click on Save. I'm adding another series for finished good. Click on Save. Here I have multiple item series. Now what happens when there are multiple item ID series? Let's go back. Now click on Add Items. Select multiple items. So while you would download the file, it will give you the option to add item ID also, which is mandatory. You just need to write the prefix of the item ID. Like I have added RM and FG. So you just need to add RM, FG. The number it will take automatically. Hope you'll be able to add items in bulk now. Thank you for watching this video. Have a good day.